Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 70 Chevelle. Yeah, top goes down, rotisserie restored, 502 under the hood. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can see she's painted blue on the bottom. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that GM Performance 502 making all that horsepower under the hood. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Chevelle investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. The paint work on it is phenomenal and the body work is over the top. It is straight as an arrow. The metallic is looking great. These stripes are buried under the clear. I can't even feel them. We got great looking chrome here. We got hood pins, keep that hood from flying up from all that horsepower under there. And look at the way that hood lines up. That is nearly perfect. That line is nearly perfectly straight. All the stainless looks good. The side view mirror looks great. Look at the way the door lines up and nice and flush with that front fender. Look at the way it lines up back here. Looks great. That door handle also looks great. All this rubber, all these fuzzies here, everything's been replaced. The door operates nice and smooth. The door jam's nice and clean. The rubber's been replaced. The door panel looks brand new. The carpeting looks new. The steering wheel looks great. Center console looks awesome. All the gauges there, everything looks brand new. All the upholstery on the seats looks great. We do have seat belts in the front and in the rear, and it looks like there's actually 3 seat belts in the rear. Now, if you want to check out pictures of the car with the top up, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. There'll be several pictures of the car with the top up. By the way, it's white and vinyl. We got good looking chrome back here. The lenses on the taillights look good. The rubber SS part of the bumper looks like it's brand new. All these lines are looking slick as can be. And again, those stripes buried under the clear. Look inside the trunk here. Looks like a brand new unit. Always want to check out the trunk floors on these cars. Looking great. All the wiring's looking great. You can see they had all the hardware apart when they did the restoration. Latch looks new. The lips on the deck lid look great. Bottom side of the deck lid's looking nice and clean. When you look down the side of the car, straight as an arrow. Check out the fit on that passenger door. Looking great, just like the driver's door. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. We own every one of the vehicles here at Vanguard, and we've got about 230 in stock right now. We bring in between 45 and 50 new units every month, so make sure you keep an eye on us. We've always got new inventory coming in. Now, I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard, so I'm helping you pick out your dream car. All right, it's convertible Chevelle time. That's right, guys. 1970 Chevelle, rotisserie restored. She's painted blue on the bottom. She's got a 502 under the hood. Yep, that's a GM Performance, 502 cubic inches, 502 horsepower, and she is ready to go. Power brakes, power steering. The car is amazing and we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Now look down here on the dash. You can see everything looks brand new. The dash looks brand new. The gauge faces look brand new. The radio's aftermarket, looks like it's period correct, and it is working. We've got vintage air and heat in here, so that is brand new aftermarket stuff. We got extra gauges down here. I mean, Even the horn's working, guys. It's got a tilt column in it. Automatic trans is feeling great. The horsepower on the car is amazing. I mean, it is fast as can be. Just a gorgeous car here, guys. And oh, and the top goes down. So when the sun comes out, the top goes down. We can deliver this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live. We also have help with financing on the cars. So if you'd like a little help with financing, it only takes about 10 or 15 minutes with the banker on the phone, and he will have you all set up. You don't have to do anything special. All you have to do is make that phone call to Tom. He'll take care of the rest. Now, we're right outside the Motor City. We're real close to the airport. So if you'd like to come check out this car in person, we would love to have you. If you want to drive out like on a Saturday, we're here till 3 o'clock. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming. We do have a little over 230 cars in stock. So we've got a bunch of them, and we've got 80,000 square feet of indoor storage. Now here's our building here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. We're about to get it in the air. Nobody else in the industry does this, guys. We're gonna show you the bottom side, then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at that 502. All right, we're under this beautiful car now, and as you can see, like I told you, she is blue underneath, brand new tank, beautiful paint, brand new bushings, brand new exhaust, all the bolts, shocks are new. We got disc brakes out back. Looks like the parking brakes are hooked up. We got a sway bar back here. You can see all the stickers, all the paint marks. We got new brake lines. We got paper tags on all the brake lines, paper tags on the springs. We got a great looking cover here, right around the 355 gear, and it is a Posi unit in there. Flowmaster mufflers, and again, look at this blue paint under here, looking great. Even the black paint on the frame looking great. We got a new brake line going front to back, new parking brake cable front to back, new fuel line front to back, all new P-clips. Look at this paint work under here, looking great. They even painted the cross member to look like bare metal. Turbo 400 trans with a really nice polished up aluminum pan on it. Close out on the torque converter, some big tube headers. Let's see, it looks like the lockout linkage here, it has been disconnected, but most of it is here. We got brand new bushings here, and the lower control arms and the upper control arms, brand new ball joints, top and bottom. Looks like new bushings in the sway bar. We do have disc brakes here, new backing plates. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Core support looks good. Chrome on the front bumper looks like it's brand new. You see there's paper tags there on the sway bar. Good looking tires here. Even that wheelhouse is nice and clean. You see all new hardware up there, all new bolts. Center cap looks good. Paint looks great. Lug nuts look great. Trim rings here look awesome. We do have two 35/60/15s, and take a look at the paint work right down to the bottom edge, looking good. Looks like brand new bolts holding that front fender on, and look at the paint job on that frame, and check out the bottom of the rocker. You want to talk about looking brand new? That's what they looked like back in 1970 right there. Matter of fact, that probably looks better than what they looked like in 1970. Now we do have more rubber back here, two 55/60/15s up here. Again, trim rings, center caps, nuts, paint job looks good. This lip right here, all I feel is where that inner wheelhouse comes to the quarter and is spot welded on. And look at the paint work right here, right down to the bottom edge, looking great. That brand new exhaust pipe there. We got the later style, real nice hangers here. They weld on, they bolt up here, and they're mounted in rubber. Keeps it nice and solid, nice and quiet. That wheel well's nice and clean. Let's get under the hood and check out the 502. All right, under the hood here, we got this GM Performance crate motor, 502, 502. That means 502 cubic inches, 502 horsepower. You can see the bow tie there on the intake. That is the Chevrolet intake. It does have the GM Performance heads. Those are aluminum. Crossbars and the upper control arms look like they're brand new. It does have a new style AC unit on it. It does have power brakes. It does have power steering. It's got a big Holley carburetor that's dual feed sitting under there feeding that monster. Looks like it's got an HEI distributor sending the spark down there. Firewall's been all cleaned up and taken care of and painted, looking good. Bottom side of the hood looks good. Fiberglass has been replaced. Core support looks good. It's got a big aluminum cross-flow radiator in it. It's even got one of the tops on the battery to make it look like an old-fashioned battery. Looking great. Everything under here looks new. Take this car anywhere. You're gonna win awards. You're gonna draw a crowd. The car is sweet, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.